Today we visit a small donut shop in Kyoto, run by a man with a passion, a dream of creating the greatest donuts in the world. Donuts that make the world a little sweeter. Creme Brulee Kyoto is located in Sanjo Mall, accessible via the southeast exit from Nijo Station, or south of Nijojo-mae Station. Exiting Nijojo-mae will put you right at Nijo Castle. It's really easy to get there if you follow the main street. Following the main street south out of the station, walk a few minutes until you see Sanjo Mall. It's a long street filled with shops and restaurants, not unlike Nishiki Market, but much less crowded. You'll know you're close when you see the Children's Park. On the north side of the mall is Creme Brulee Kyoto. So what kind of donuts are they known for? In case you couldn't tell already, Creme Brulee donuts. Brulee Kyoto is run by visionary Tetsuya-san. He's the mastermind behind what I'm willing to call the greatest donuts in the world. So how does the donut making process go? Tetsuya-san has a secret recipe and a method to make the batter. He then uses the donut extruder and lets those donuts fry. The plain donuts are delicious by themselves. Why does Tetsuya-san make donuts?
So I love donuts. I want to make best donuts in the world. So I try to many donuts. But fortunately, I could invent creme brulee donuts. I think that this is one of the best donuts in the world. So yeah, please come to Kyoto to try it.
What kind of flavors are there, and what kind of flavors does he like?
I have 5 flavors: custard cream, chocolate custard cream, green tea beans paste, caramel cream. Now it's a lemon cream. But I like custard cream, but also caramel cream is also good. Yeah.
Make no mistake, every flavor filling is as good as the last. And there's a rotating seasonal flavor. This time, lemon. Back to the donut making process. Once they've cooled down a bit, a filling of your choice is filled into the donut hole. A special sugar blend is sifted on top, and the creme brulee process begins. You can smell the caramelization from meters away. The amazingly sweet aroma drew me in. Look at that caramelization. I'm sorry to say there's no smell-o-vision. Tetsuya-san wants the entire process to be an experience, not just simply a product that you order. You'll get to watch the brulee and eat the donut fresh, and boy does it melt in your mouth. And which one's popular?
Yeah, usually 90% custard cream, 5%, 7% chocolate custard. Yes, I want to try, but 90% custard cream they try.
What other seasonal flavors are there?
We make a sweet potato, maybe autumn season. We made a strawberry cream, pumpkin cream on Halloween night. Yeah, I make it for Halloween.
Tetsuya-san has been at it for a while too.
I have made donuts for 5 years. Sometimes I make southern creme brulee donuts a day. It was handmade. Yeah. This location for 2 years. Yeah, I moved here from the other place. Yeah. So total 5 years. Here 2 years.
The other location being Kawaramachi, not too far from Nishiki Market. Tetsuya-san, his brother Yasuhiro, and other employees are friendly. And you can't help but just hang around eating donuts or having a cup of coffee. When it's summer, order a scoop of ice cream on top. Once again, it's just a pleasant experience.
Creme Brulee ドーナツを2つと
バニラのアイスとグリーンティー
抹茶のアイスと
はい
はい
お願いします。
しらしらし大きい声ではい
おー、すごい。黄色になってきた。うわー、すごい。なんか破裂したみたい。
After the brulee, the staff will cool down the donut to the perfect temperature, wafting the aroma with a fan. It kind of serves as a tease while you wait, smelling it in. It smells amazing. Finally, get the donut in hand, it's like being rewarded. The donuts are best fresh, so even though you can order them to go, I recommend eating them right away. And then order extra to go. So how are the donuts? Let's ask some locals.
おいしい。
カリカリふわふわで美味しい。
カスタードも美味しいです。
バイバーイ。
Want to watch the brulee process up close? Of course you do. Now would be a good time to pause the video and book your tickets to Kyoto. How about some slow motion? Tetsuya-san's brother helps out too. Brothers in donut arms. What motivates Yasuhiro-san?
このドーナツがすごい好きで美味しいし、で家族なんで一緒に頑張って働きます。
Favorite flavor?
僕はカスタードが一番好きですけど、次はチョコレート、チョコ。はい。あとレモンもおすすめです。
Any new donut flavor ideas?
マンゴー、オレンジ、あとモンブラン。
Yasuhiro-san is a pro too. If you visit, you'll get an amazing donut no matter who is making it for you. And people from all over the world love these donuts too.
It was very good. The best place for the donut.
The fact that they do it like in front of you, it's very interesting because like you saw all the sugar that melt down, like it's very good, and then you know that it's homemade and it's fresh.
Maybe we're gonna try the other one
Next
maybe,
time.
Yeah.
I had a blast spending the day learning about the business, eating donuts, and chatting with these guys. But don't visit for my sake. Support Tetsuya-san and Yasuhiro-san.
Thank you for watching. We are waiting for you when you come to Kyoto. Bye bye.
Sometimes it's a little difficult to find somewhere to sit down and relax. In Japan, you don't just see, benches at every corner, but I wanted to take the opportunity to stop and eat some of those donuts that I got, especially the lemon, since I've never tried it before. These donuts are especially good to eat when they're fresh. This right here, this is the lemon flavor. I typically don't really like lemon flavored things, but I really wanted to try this, so I'll give it a shot. It's really good, actually. Probably hard to see in the video, but there's little bits of lemon in it. And it's a good balance of tart and sweet. I'll give it a shot. Now I'm gonna try the caramel, which is my favorite, I think. I'm so full. I've eaten a few of these today. Perfect. So stop by this place, support the business, get your own favorite flavor. You know what? Try them all. They're all so good. Bye bye. Visit Creme Brulee Kyoto. Enjoy the best donut in the world. お前が誰かわからない。お前が欲しいものがわからない。見ろしろ金が欲しいなら、僕はお金がない。でも、僕は特定のスキルがある。今、ドーナツをくれたらいいだよ。違いますか？お前を調べて見つける。僕があなたのドーナツを食べるよ。頑張って。Hey, thanks again for watching this week. Man, those donuts are good, and I hope you enjoyed watching them being made. Support this business if you're ever in Kyoto. They're, I think, the best donuts in the world. Even if I haven't traveled the globe trying every single donut, these are my favorite. Green tea is good. My favorite is probably the caramel. I really want to support small businesses every opportunity that I get in Japan. And sometimes they have the opportunity to put a special care into their product. So if you're in Kyoto, check out Brulee Kyoto. Let's keep this place busy. The next time I go back, let's hope that they've got some new flavors. See you next week.